Ladies and gentlemen, yes, this is Mr. Frechette back with another YouTube episode. Yes, I am back. And I am back by popular demand. Okay, so linear equation based word problem. So when I say linear equations, what am I talking about? Yes, you guys are saying it. You're saying it, you're thinking it. I know you're thinking it. And it's this, as I did not have my pen on. It is y equals mx plus b. I'm going to constantly review this, right? Our m is our slope, right? That's what's changing. The vocabulary you should be looking for in a word problem should be per, each, and every. You see those words? Right next to it, you have your slope or your m value. Our b value, I'm going to go back to purple. Our b value is our y-intercept. In a word problem, it's a little bit different, right? We know that also as our initial fee, right? Initial fee or cost. Cost at the door or cost out of pocket. Those are all things that we'll talk about and that should give you the hint that you're dealing with your starting value. So let's get this going. Let's roll with this. Okay, so our question is problem 1. Before Cole walks his dog, his activity tracker shows he has already walked 3.8 miles. He and his dog walk 2.6 miles per hour. Okay, so I have y equals mx plus b, no matter how I look at it. Because this is what my equation is going to look like, right? What is my m? And what is my b? Well, we said it's initial value, initial fee, initial value. What do we see here that could show that? Well, it's very simple. If I read this over again, the activity tracker shows that I have already walked 3.8 miles. And let me do this because it didn't highlight why I want it to. So I already walked 3.8 miles. So 3.8 miles would be your starting point. He's already walked that. That's our b value, 3.8. What's our slope? Well, our slope is this. In green, remember you look for those words, per, each, every. 2.6, and I did it again, 2.6 miles per hour. That is our slope. So when we put this all together, we have y equals 2.6x plus 3.8. So that's our equation, right? That's what you should have down here. That's what slope-intercept form means. Slope-intercept form, all it is y equals mx plus b plus 3.8. That's what this is. That means y equals mx plus b form. That's all slope-intercept form is. Okay, so now they're asking us number of miles after a half hour. So this is what we need to realize. We need to identify what our variables are. Now our variables are two things, and our variables are x and y. So I'm going to put a little, I did that, but I'm going to put a little squiggly line here. And x actually equals number of hours. Because that's something that can be any number of hours. That can change. And our y value, 9 times out of 10, is the total. So total number of hours in this situation. So how are we going to set that up? Well, we're going to take our equation. We're going to go, and I'm going to go back to one final color. We'll go to blue. So we have y equals 2.6, and our x value down here, it tells us the number of miles in a half hour. Okay, that remembers number of hours, so we put a half in here, and that is added to 3.8. If you grab your calculator, y equals, what's our total going to be? So we have 2.6 times a half plus 3.8. Right? And you should get 5.1 miles. So that should be our final answer. 5.1 miles. So that's how long Cole traveled altogether or walked his dog. So 5.1 miles. Okay, word problems aren't so bad, but yes, you do have to show your work and you need to think through the problem. So this is linear equation word problems in a nutshell and in 5 minutes or less. So have a great evening. If you have any questions or concerns, you can definitely watch this video tomorrow when we're working on the other problems in class. Have a great night. and we'll see you later. Math out.